Two leading names in business software go head-to-head, Zoho CRM versus Insightly. Which one really delivers? On the left, Zoho CRM, the AI-powered solution built for growth-focused teams. On the right, Insightly, combining CRM with project management for SMBs. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we jump in, let's lay out the roadmap. Here's what we'll compare: pricing, customization and flexibility, contact and project management, ease of use, email and marketing automation, mobile apps, integrations and ecosystem, reporting and analytics, and finally, support and resources. Pretty loaded, huh? Let's kick things off with pricing. So, Zoho CRM starts you at just about $14 per user per month, and there's even a free plan for up to 3 users. That's honestly such a good deal for startups or anyone not ready to commit heavy cash yet. But of course, if you want the real advanced stuff, you gotta cough up for those higher tiers. Now, Insightly, yeah, they've got a no-frills free plan too, but it maxes at 2 users. Main thing here, their entry plan is $29 per user each month, which is pretty steep for a lot of small teams. And if you're after all the bells and whistles, that price creeps up fast. So, in terms of best bang for your buck, Zoho CRM definitely gets the edge. On to customization and flexibility. All right, Zoho is kind of wild here. You can tweak just about everything. Workflows, fields, modules. There's even AI tools jam-packed for advanced automation. Downside, there's a bit of a learning curve when you want to set it up deep. Insightly takes a slightly different approach with no-code customization, which is very friendly if you're tech-averse. But let's be real, not as much room to go all in with custom features. So, if you love flexibility and getting hands-on, Zoho wins this round. Now, contact and project management. Zoho absolutely nails contact segmentation, especially if you're dealing with huge pipelines. Very handy for full-scale sales teams. Only thing is, if you want real project management, you're kind of nudged to use Zoho Projects, which means another tool. Then, Insightly. Oh, this is where it gets exciting. Their project management is built right in. So if you're juggling contacts inside those projects, it's honestly seamless. Maybe not enterprise grade for contacts, but if your heart is in project delivery as much as sales, Insightly takes the cake here. Quick fun fact before we hit the final verdict. Did you know Zoho CRM supports more than 28 languages and has over 250,000 global customers? That's some serious global reach right there. Ease of use. Okay, now this is where picking a CRM can get tricky. Zoho CRM looks sharp, gives you tons of tutorials, onboarding help, but I'm gonna say it can be kinda overwhelming for newbies. There's just so much there. Now, Insightly? Honestly, super clean, intuitive layout, and teams can get up and running really quick without feeling lost. You sacrifice a bit of depth for that ease, but for most SMBs, that's a trade you won't hate. So, point to Insightly. For email and marketing automation, Zoho CRM comes in with all the pro-level gadgets. Think advanced automation, A/B testing, slick segmentation, and even AI insights. If you want to go big with marketing, this is hard to beat. Of course, the flip side, setting all that up can be a bit of a puzzle. Insightly keeps it simple. Automated campaigns are built in. You can hook them up to your projects, which is neat if you just want email workflows tied to delivery. That said, you lose out on the precision and depth Zoho offers. So Zoho CRM clinches this one. Let's talk mobile apps next. Zoho CRM's dedicated apps are easy to grab for iOS and Android. Only complaint is, sometimes there's a tiny sync lag. Meanwhile, Insightly's app is also solid. Works offline, which is pretty handy if you're always on the move. Honestly, both are good here. I'd call this one a tie. Integrations and ecosystem. We're in tech territory now. Zoho? This thing is like an ecosystem juggernaut. You get access to more than 40 other Zoho apps. Plus, it hooks into pretty much all the mainstream stuff out there. Sure, sometimes you'll need to tinker a bit for custom setups, but it's seriously broad. With Insightly, you've got Zapier and native integrations, and yeah, you can extend it easily, but every so often, an app integration breaks or needs patching. All in all, Zoho CRM takes the win for integrations. Let's move to reporting and analytics. Zoho's all about the numbers. Custom dashboards, deep AI-powered analytics, you name it. Absolutely killer for data-driven teams. though be prepared to pay for higher tiers to access the good stuff. Insightly's reporting is robust, and you do get custom dashboards too, but it's not quite as deep as Zoho's offering. So Zoho CRM pulls ahead again.
Wrapping up with support and resources, Zoho CRM brings basically everything. Live chat, phone, knowledge base, webinars, you name it. Even onboarding tours. Only thing, you'll get limited phone support on the entry plans. On the Insightly side, they've got online help centers, some webinars, and paid premium support. Good, but folks have reported it's a little slower sometimes. For overall support, Zoho CRM grabs the final point. Here's our visual summary. Each round, Zoho CRM racks up those points in pricing, customization, automation, and ecosystem, while Insightly shines brightest for project management and user-friendliness. Okay, so gut check. If you want near unlimited flexibility, advanced automation, and those juicy integrations, especially starting at a lower price, Zoho CRM is practically a no-brainer. But if you're running a small to mid-sized team, and your world revolves around managing both sales and delivery without the headache of onboarding, Insightly's integrated project management and easy setup could absolutely be the answer. So, want more head-to-head tech breakdowns? Stick around and catch my next expert comparison. See you soon.